In this video, I will show you how to get paid $600 per day to watch YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for watching videos online. Want to know how to do it? We are going to find out. This is how to get paid to watch YouTube videos. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. There are 3 steps that you need to follow to start earning money while watching videos. Step number 1 is to get your mobile phone. Step number 2 is to click the play button and watch a short YouTube video. And finally, step number 3 is to cash out your money on different payment methods, such as PayPal. When you watch one video, then you are going to earn up to $3. And every time you watch 20 videos, you are going to earn $60. And if you watch 200 videos, then you are going to earn $600. This is a beginner-friendly and 100% free method. Also, you don't need to pay anything in order to earn money with this. And the best thing about this strategy is that it is available worldwide. So it means it doesn't matter what country you're in, you're going to earn money, and you can get started with this right now. So I'm going to show you how to sign up a free account on this website and teach you what videos to watch in order to start earning money. Now let's get started. As you can see here, this YouTube video is just over 1 minute long. And when you watch these type of videos, you are going to earn $3. You can watch videos like this on your mobile phone or on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is to go on this website. This website is absolutely free, and you don't need to make any investments to get started with this. You can earn money from this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. But keep in mind, we are going to focus on watching videos, because this is the easiest and most paid thing that we can do on this website. The best part about this website is that when you sign up for an account, you are going to receive $1 bonus. All you need to do is just enter your first name, your email address, and choose a username. Then finally create the password. And next, here on the country section, just go and click on this drop-down arrow right here. And you can see that they're accepting several countries all over the world. So it really doesn't matter where you are coming from, because you can get started with this right now and earn a lot of money online. So once you have done that, click on this box right here after you have read the privacy policy and membership agreement. And then just click the sign up button here. Also, this website has many different payment options that you can use. But I truly recommend you to choose PayPal. This website offers a lot of opportunities for you to earn money online. The best part is that this website offers really high payout rates. As you can read it here, you can earn 65 to 85%, unlike other websites that only offer you 40 to 60%. So once you have finished signing up, they will take you to this page. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 points you earn. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or through e-gift cards. So to continue, just scroll down below and click on this button right here. And once you are done clicking that, you can now log into your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. You can see here that they gave me $1 as a sign-up bonus. Here you can also see the earning potential that you can get by doing offers. You can check this section right here and see the companies with their offers, which you can do on this website. These are some of the best companies around the world that are really legit. So you can do these offers and earn a lot of money. But as I said before, we are going to focus on watching YouTube videos because it is the most paying and easiest thing to do. And keep in mind that some of the offers are only available for a limited time only. So try to do them as soon as possible. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. To earn money by watching videos, you need to click on this section right here where it says Videos. And on this new page here, you can see that for every 200 points you earn, you will receive a silver token, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. And what I like about this is you can watch different kinds of videos, such as food, sweets, music, gaming videos, viral videos, and so on. All you need to do is click on this button right here. On this page, you can start watching the video. You can also see that this video is just over 1 minute long. The best part is you are going to earn $1 to $3 on this very video alone right here. This is quite awesome. And this website is called gg2u.org. Also, here's the bonus tip I want to share with you. Watch all the videos from all the different categories at the same time. Watch all the available videos from food, music, viral gaming, and so on. To do so, open all the browsers in a new tab. Then you can watch the videos on all the different categories at the same time and even have more devices. So if you had extra phones and laptops, you can watch the videos through multiple devices at the same time. This is where you can earn more money because you don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just run them in the background and do anything else that you want or need to do, and you are already earning money just by doing that. And that's it. That is exactly how you get paid to watch YouTube videos for absolutely free. Thank you for watching. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.